Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make heart-shaped cupcakes. It's really simple, but I just wanted to make some Valentine's Day content and I thought these are really sweet to make and I hope that you enjoy. To make the cakes themselves I'm just using a simple 4-ounce chocolate mix, really simple. It's more the decorations that are going to be a bit more complex, so just thought I'd stick to a simple cupcake mixture. You can't really go wrong with doing equal parts butter, flour, sugar, and then just doing 2 eggs and a teaspoon of baking powder. The secret to making these really chocolatey is to do 3 ounces of flour and 1 ounce of cocoa powder. It also makes sure the cakes are still really moist because you're not putting too much dry stuff in. For this I do 3 ounces of butter and 1 ounce of coconut oil because the coconut oil makes it a lot richer and brings out the chocolate flavour. Bake these for exactly 17 minutes on 180 degrees and they are perfect every time. To decorate the cakes I made a simple butter icing and just coloured it pink. For the first cakes I simply just piped all round to fill in the area. I then topped the cupcakes with some freeze-dried raspberries and these really sweet little wafer daisies. I think this is my favourite design of cupcake. Let me know down below which ones you prefer. For the second cupcake I did a more simplistic sort of heart with a larger nozzle, and then to cover up the little end bit that the piping nozzle had made I just plopped another wafer daisy on it just to make it look a little bit more prettier. I then put a freeze-dried raspberry in the whole of the wafer daisy just to make it look like the bud. I thought this looked better than just leaving them plain, and here we go. Happy Valentine's Day. And that is the end of my cupcake video. I hope you enjoyed. I think they turned out really well. And yeah, I definitely love making cakes and I want to get better at decorating cakes because I don't know, I get very impatient when I decorate cakes because I just want the mess to go away. But anyway, that is the end of the video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye guys. Oh, and have a lovely Valentine's Day.